Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to embed a form into your website using Jotform. We have the link to this service in the description so you can go ahead and check it out right after this video. In order to begin, of course, we want to assume that you already have your form, as we have our form right here, course registration form. Now we're trying to embed this form into our website. We will be using our Framer website. Our Framer website is still in progress. We're going to find a place to put it. Let's assume we want to put it just between this section and this section, right? So we're going to go over to the top left corner where we have the insert button. It looks like a plus, click on it, and then search for embed. When we search for embed, we have the embed button right there. We're going to click on it and you can see it showing right there. So right now we have the embed. We're going to go over to the right side. And here in the right side panel, you have type, you have URL and HTML. So we'll need to either put a HTML or URL here in order to add the Jotform into this embed frame. Let's go back to our Jotform. And here we're going to click on edit form. So now we have our form and this is what we want to put in our Framer website, right? We're going to go over to publish. Then right here in publish on the left side panel, you have quick share, AI agent, and embed. We're going to click on embed. And here we have the option to copy the snippet. Now, this is not a URL, rather it's a snippet of a code, right? You can see script and script. So we're going to click on copy code, then go over to our Framer website, then switch over from URL to HTML, and then paste the HTML code right here, click away from it. And as you can see, we have our form right here. The next thing to do is to place it in our website. We're going to use the control button on our keyboard and then use the scroll wheel on our mouse to make things smaller. Then switch over at the bottom here to the pan tool and then we're going to grab things. Then we're going to click and hold and try to center things a little bit. So now that we have everything in view, we're going to switch from the pan tool to the select tool, right? So now we have the select tool, going to click and hold on the embed frame and then drag it nicely somewhere between the border of our website. We're going to leave it right now and it's created a space for itself. When we click on control and use the scroll wheel to zoom in, we can see our registration form situated right here on the website. To see that it's working, we're going to go over to the top right corner, click on publish, then click on update. And then we're going to click on the web link. The web link is right here with the icon. I'm going to click on it. And as we scroll down, we're going to see our Jotform placed exactly where we wanted it to be. So this is how to embed a form into your website using Jotform. Don't forget to check out the link in the description so you can get a head start right after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.